Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Welcome back to my channel Unknown Studies. Some points of stationary waves, which was the first point is no energy is transferred from one place to another in a stationary wave. So first point is no energy is transferred from no energy is transferred from one place to another in stationary wave. So the first point is no wave can transfer from one place to another in stationary wave. Second point is particles accept notes perform simple harmonic motion as with same time period as component of wave. Next point is add note strain is maximum, means strain means force, change in force is maximum, but displacement or amplitude or frequency is zero. Displacement is zero. You know what is node? If this is a wall and here it is a forming node, this point is called node, and the displacement is zero and force is maximum. Fourth point is add antinode strain is zero. There is no force in the antinode. The maximum point at node is called antinode, where the displacement or amplitude or frequency is maximum. Strain is zero, but displacement is maximum. Displacement is maximum. Fifth point is the distance between the consecutive distance between this is antinode presented by A. Distance between node and antinode or antinode is the distance between this node and antinode, this antinode 4 lambda by 4. The distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4, and the distance between node and node is lambda by 2. Lambda of characteristics of wave. I hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.